Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly special in store for you. We're going to take you on a journey into the heart of autumn as we create a cozy and heartwarming drawing filled with all the things we love about this wonderful season. Let's start drawing a charming pair of woolen socks, complete with tassels and a sprinkle of playful dots. As we add the finishing touches to our cozy socks, observe how the tassels dance and the dots playfully twinkle. It's these little details that make our artwork come alive. But we can't forget the essential autumn accessory, a woolen muffler. Let's add this cozy piece to our artwork, draping it gracefully around our socks. Picture it keeping you warm and snug on those chilly autumn strolls. Autumn wouldn't be complete without fallen leaves. Say hello to our tiny visitor, the honeybee, diligently collecting nectar from the last blossoms of the season. And here, we've added a heart. Let's begin by adding those rich, warm colors that define autumn. With a stroke of orange, we bring the vibrant hues of fall to our cozy socks. Our autumn masterpiece, woolen socks with tassels and dots. As we move to the muffler, let's select Comforting Red. And there you have it. A melody of autumn leaves. And a heart all set. A buzzing honeybee. This is the magic of fall. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you love most about autumn? We're eager to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep creating, stay cozy, and celebrate the beauty of every season.